Hi everyone, my name is Mikey and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today on my YouTube channel, I'll be showing you how you can screen record by using Microsoft PowerPoint. Just as I have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and other Microsoft apps, we also have Microsoft PowerPoint. And Microsoft PowerPoint comes along with Microsoft Office. So today I'll be showing you the way you can screen record by using Microsoft PowerPoint. Guys, right now I'm on my PC and the first thing I did is to launch PowerPoint, and now I'll go to blank presentation. I'll click on my blank presentation, and now that I've clicked on that, what now I'll do is to, you can see my layout, I'm going to change that to a blank layout. I like using the blank layouts, but it's a choice, you pick the one you want, and now I'll click a blank layout. So now to sprinkle PowerPoint, the first thing I'm going to do is to come to the insert right here. We go to the insert. Believe it or not, PowerPoint you can screen record. So now right now you can see some part of things like screenshots, insert a picture, many things, and right if you go here to the right hand corner, we can see screen record. And now what I will do is to click on that screen record, and now send me to mark the area I want to screen record. So now let's see, I am like it's recording in my old PC. I'll just alight everywhere on my laptop. So now after that, you see how this record becomes active. And now what I can also do is that this record pointer can move it so that PowerPoint it will not record my pointer, my mouse pointer. When I'm recording, but I can also turn that back on so that PowerPoint I can record a mouse pointer. And this is my audio. Let's say I'm making a tech video. This is a tech video, and then I'm not talking, I'm just typing. And my audio, I'll turn that off so that PowerPoint will not capture my voice, but now I'll turn that on. After I've turned that on, I have marked it on to screen record. And now what I can do is that I can record by clicking right here. And I'm going to start recording by 3, 2, 1. And now I am recording with PowerPoint. So now what I can do is that I can come right here, I can pause the recording, I pause that, and I can continue recording by playing that. And I explain. And what I can do is that I can also stop the recording by coming right here by clicking this, or I can simply press my Windows key plus my Shift key plus Q, Windows key plus Shift key plus Q. And let's say my laptop, that's by the time I'm recording, let's say I want I want this pop-up right here to show. What I'll do is to pin this, and now I'm recording this pop-up right here is going to be my video image recording, but I can probably remove that. It's a choice. And now what I can do is that I can launch some apps. I can launch my Chrome browser, I can launch this, and I've launched this. I can do many things with it. I've launched it, I can also minimize it, and that is it. I can come to my Windows, I can bring that back, and now what I can do is that I can stop recording by pressing my Windows key plus my Shift key plus Q. I can simply come right here and click on stop recording. As soon as I stop recording, PowerPoint will now insert my screen recording into right here into PowerPoint, and I can see that. Now what I can simply do is to play that for you guys. I'll play that. And now I am recording with PowerPoint. So now what I can do is that I can come right here, I can pause the recording, and I explain my Windows key. I'll just be skipping this for you guys. So I say that can my Shift key plus Q, Windows pop up right here to show. What I'll do is to pin this, and now it's going to be my. What I can do is that I can launch some apps. I can launch my Chrome browser, and I've launched this. I can do launch it. I can also minimize it, and that is it. I can come to my Windows. What I can do is that I can come right here and click. So now this was what I just recorded, and PowerPoint has made amazing features that I can use right here. If I click on this, you see that if I click away from this, you see that some things go right here. And if I click on that, you see that some things pop up like video format and playback. So now what I can do is that I can simply come right here. You can see a video format types that you pick the one you want. Let's say I want to be like this. I'll click on that and I'm going to play it like this. And now I want this, but now I'll stop that and let's see. I want it to have kind of roundish edge. I will leave it like this, but I'm not going to go with the normal one. But let's see. I want it to have like a frame. I can leave it like this. So now this is the video format, and now if you can see some corrections right here, I can make it bright. I can also make that dark, more dark, and I can put that as normal. Where is normal? I think it's right here. Yeah. So now what I can also do is that this video I can make it to play in a shape, any shape I want. You can come at a video shape. You can put it like this. You play in this shape, and I can see it. I can put different type of shapes I want. Let's say I want a star. Put the star shape, and then it's probably going to play in this shape. And the Windows can pause this. Let's say I have other shapes. Let's say the plus sign. You can play in this shape. Different shapes you have, but now I'm going with the basic that is like a rectangle. Now this is it, and now I can't the video border. I can make the border to be red. If I made that red, I can also make the weight of the border to be very thick. I can also give the border some effect by coming right here, video effect, and I can come to glow. I can make it glow. I can make it to glow. I see right here. I'll click on that. You can see that the edges are glowing a little bit. So now I'll click on that again, and you can see right here this video that I made. I can also trim it by coming right here. I can go to playback. On that I go to playback, and you can see right here I can trim it. I can also fade in and fade out. I can also add a bookmark to the video, but now I can trim the video on PowerPoint right here. I can play this, and now unless I want to trim the particular part, I can just trim it. I can trim this one again. Shift key plus Q. And see that it's really a short video now, and I can click on OK, and I have trimmed the video, and now it's a short video. It's about 28 seconds video. So now you can see that it can be very screen record with PowerPoint. So now what now I'll do is that this is what I just recorded. I will save it. But now if I come right here to file, I go to save as. Under save as, I go to browse my location, and another browse. I'll save it as PowerPoint screen recording tutorial. PowerPoint screen record tutorial. And then I've done that, and I also do it in my desktop so that I can have easy access to it. But when I've done that, what now? If I just click save, what PowerPoint is going to do is that you save it as a PowerPoint presentation. But now I don't want that. I want to save it as like a MP4 file. But let's say that if you made like you want to put it on YouTube, I think YouTube takes MP4 file. Yeah. Now to save it as an MP4 file, what I will do right now is to come right here, and you can see MEPEG for video. That is an MP4 format. I click on that, and then you can see right here we also have other videos format like Windows Media Video, but I'll save it as an MP4 format, and I'll click on save. And after click on save, you see right here, you see that it will be transferring right here, and then if I to finish saving as an MP4 file, MP4 video format, this thing coming right here has to go from the beginning and go to the ending, and this might take some time. It depends on how long the video is. So now what I'll do is to press keep the remaining process of the rest converting. So you guys, it's done converting, and it took like a minute to convert, just a minute, but it depends on how long your screen record is. So now what I will do is to minimize it, and I will locate what I just recorded, PowerPoint screen record. You can see it right here on my desktop. I'll open that, and now it will open as a video format. So now this video, actually, I can now upload it on YouTube, because it is an MP4 video format. And let's see my laptop. So now this video. Now you can see that my screen record is now playing as a video, and now I can upload this on YouTube. So I can just copy by the time I'm recording, I want this what I'll do is to pin this, and then it's going to be my video and screen recording. But now I can probably remove that as a choice. And now what I can do is that I can launch. So you can read it. It took like a minute to convert because it's probably a small video with less time, just like 28 seconds. So guys, all right, I hope you have learned something new today. All right, guys. So that was a quick review on today's topic, and I hope you enjoyed it and hope you learned something new today. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and also turn the bell down so that you get notified anytime I upload the content just like this one. Bye, and hope you see you next time.